Hey, it's Dan Cunningham here at City Cadillac Buick GMC. So I wanted to show you today the cool new feature on the Sierra Denali pickup truck. This is a camera system that's built into the rearview mirror, but it's a second generation version of it. So there's a couple cool things. You can obviously see me filming. I throw the switch. Right now I have a clear unobstructed view from behind, but they've added a couple of items to this rearview mirror. So they give us some controls. So now I can increase the brightness. So if I want better clarity of the plate or the people behind me, I can definitely increase the brightness altogether. I can change the zoom and zoom in or zoom out depending on how I want it set up. And then finally, I can come back in here and change the camera angle. So if I wanted a lower angle or upper angle, you can see I'm in a garage right now. I can press the button up over there and do it. So it's a pretty cool feature. Again, the idea is if you have adults in the back seat, you can't see through them altogether. Just gives you a quick, clear view of what's behind you. And at night, it actually illuminates things that you normally wouldn't be able to pick up with normal vision altogether. So I really love this. I think it's a great feature. I'm looking forward to seeing this on almost all our GM products, maybe in the next 2 or 3 years, but right now the Sierra Denali pickup truck has it in it. For more information on a 2019 GMC Sierra Denali or even just a normal Sierra pickup truck, pick up the phone and give me a call. I'm at 866-486-0975. When you call, you got to ask for me, Dan Cunningham. I'm truly passionate about GMC. I know the product inside and out. I'm going to give you a great experience. Thanks a lot. I look forward to speaking to you soon. 516-660-8925 is my cell phone, or give me a call in the office, 866-486-0975. Talk to you soon.